What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about SecuX wallet. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own, study this platform and take your time, and if you think you can keep your assets safe and secure by using SecuX wallet, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. So without wasting our time, let's discuss about that, because it's very important to understand the future, the security, the transparency, accuracy. So each and everything is very important to understand before buying this wallet, because there are hundreds of wallets in the market. So we have to verify each and everything, and we will suggest which one is perfect for us. So here you can see the details about the SecuX wallet, the perfect choice for blockchain beginner, and if you are new one in the crypto space, so I think it's a perfect idea to buy SecuX wallet, because you can keep your assets safe and secure by using SecuX wallet, because they are providing you a best benefits and safety and security as far as your crypto assets are concerned. So here you can see here guys, PUFido Clife key, say goodbye to hackers and forgotten password. If you forget your password, and if you have in your mind that your crypto asset will be hacked, so they are providing you best opportunity by maintaining their wallet and increase its transparency and security. So here you can see, if you forget your password, so it doesn't matter, and you need not worry about anything. It's that someone will hack your crypto asset, so it will never be happen if you buy SecuX wallet. So here you can see, unlock the full potential of your crypto. So how basically it works and how you can buy that. So I will tell you all the detail, and first we will discuss the main page, and after that I will tell you all the detail regarding SecuX wallet. So you can see here there are different types of wallets in this batch. You can see here NeoX and SecuX V20, next Shield Bio. So all things are available under a single platform, so it's quite amazing, and you can save more than 1,000 of cryptocurrency, more than 10,000 of cryptocurrency in SecuX wallet at the same time. So next, the details are there. You can see here all informations are there, your key, your coins, and you're in control. It's mean all data that you will transfer in SecuX wallet will remain in your hand. It will be secured, and you can transfer anytime, you can deposit anytime. So all the benefits are available. You can see here plus 5,000 coins supported, so it's a quite amazing benefit, and easily access and manage via our web-based and mobile app. So you need to connect it with your mobile, and after that it will start working. Next, manage your crypto anytime, anywhere, wherever you are, and you can use that, and you can learn more about that. Frequently asked question, if you have any question and query in your mind regarding SecuX wallet, so you can just click on that. You can get the answer of your question at the same time, what basically it is, and why you use hardware wallet, and how does SecuX protect your crypto. It's very important question. Next, 100% privacy and ownership. These 2 points are very important, that we need 100% privacy as far as the crypto investment is concerned, as far as your ownership is concerned, because when you buy some wallet, so you need to own that wallet, and command and control will be in your hand when you use some kind of wallet. Okay, next I will show you the further information, guys, and next you can see here, be aware of phishing attacks. SecuX never asks for your 24 words recovery seed phrase, never share with them. So it's very important indication that you need to save your key phrase and never share with them any percent. So it's your safety and security and your responsibility, because when you transfer your crypto assets, after that you have some sort of keys on 24 words, so you have to save that key. Next, you can see here all news details, all informations are there. You can study more information, you can get more detail about that, how basically it works, and all informations are there. Next, we will visit the products. Here you can see the details about that. Shield Bio biometric crypto wallet, and the portable military grade security, and with the fingerprint protection. So the next benefit is you can connect with your mobile. After that, your key phrase, and next you can see here fingerprints. So they are trying their best to secure your asset if you buy SecuX Wallet at the moment. And next you can see what's hot on Secure Store. Next you can see here the detail and the prices. You can see here SecuX Export USBB at the moment is $59, and next X Seed Pro is $89, and next you can see here W20 Deluxe backup set $163, and next you can see here V20 Ultimate backup set is $208. So it's quite acceptable price at the moment, and they are providing you best offer at the moment, and it's quite amazing, and you can buy at any time, and you can get more information, all the detail. You can see here there's strength and different countries, and they are well known, and you can see here all information, their company details, each and everything is there. So hope so you briefly understand. You can see here the team who's backing up this wallet. They're a very strong team, and very legend team at the moment, I must say. And next you can see here the detail about all series, and you can use one of them, you can buy one of them, and if you are interested, you can approach the team also, and you can join their community. It's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will be able to get more information regarding SecuX Wallet. It's quite amazing and quite massive. Next you can see here how basically you can connect your wallet, and you can see here the details. I already told you these are the informations and how basically it works and how you can join that. Select your device, and you need to select your device here, and you can see here if you select this one, SecuX V20 W20, just click on that. You can see here the details will be there, and where you can connect Windows, Mac, and ISO Android. Next you can see here SecuX web app, Windows and Mac. Next you can see SecuX Nifty. So these are their selections and collections. You can see here and get more details, and for business. So let's see what kind of details are there. And export, so how basically it works. So we'll get more information about that. So how basically it works, so we'll tell you all the information about that. So okay, so you can see here the details, and each and everything is here available in front of your face. So let's see, you can see here SecuX V20 both grade hardware wallet for NFT and crypto. It's both supported for NFT and crypto, certified CE LS5 plus, color display, 10,000 coins tokens, multi-chain, and Bluetooth web-based app, and dynamic pinning tree, and up to 500 accounts. Next you can see a large touchscreen, hand and skin clear sign, NFT, supported mobile, iOS, Android, both can be used. And next you can see Wallet Connect 2.0 USB Type-C, and you can see passphrase, MetaMask integration, QR based, so you can use QR code also. Next, its price is at the moment $135, and you can use them. It's up to you how much you want to buy. You want to buy one or two, so it's up to you. And you can see free shipping for orders over $150. There is no shipping charges include, so it's a good news for crypto lovers and who want to save their assets. So here you can see all pin protection and hands on clear sign, offline, and uncheckable. So this is the information about this one. So next we will check it out. The next one, you can see SecuX W20. Here you can see, guys, the details. So it's quite massive, and it's quite safe and secure. And the price at the moment is $1.99, and you can order now, and it's just for free shipping for order over $150. So keep in mind, if you buy more than $150, so there is no shipping charges. Okay, next, if you buy with the $1.99, so it will be it's mean that you will pay some amount of shipping charges also. Okay, this was the detail that I provide you. Hope so you briefly understand, guys. If there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.